My video guide is about removing the ransomware that is called Jtorauup. This is the ransomware that attacks Windows computers only. This ransomware damages and encrypts the files that customers store on their hard drives. Before the ransomware attack, of course, you are able to open the files without any complications. You can open pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data pretty easily. Regretfully, because of certain vulnerabilities in the security of the specific computer, this particular ransomware may be easily injected into the system. After the ransomware attack, it is not possible to use the files anymore. You can clearly see that the ransomware affects the files, so when you try to open the specific file, you get the message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with Jtorauup extension. So no matter what files you try to open, you have no luck to open them. This is because the ransomware has encrypted the files and you cannot open the data anymore. The ransomware also places this scary message on your desktop mentioning that your files are encrypted and that you need to pay the special ransom for file restoration. But paying the ransom, of course, is not a good idea. This doesn't guarantee that the files would be restored, so do not pay the ransom. First thing we recommend you to do is to remove this ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. Download the program using this direct download Combo Cleaner button. Install the program and start the application. Initially the program is in the trial mode, so just the quick scan option is available. You may click on the start scan button. The program will most likely update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper malware detection. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, the program begins researching and investigating your system. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner Premium version has got its anti-ransomware feature, allowing you to add one or several folders on your computer that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. At the end of the scan, you will see the complete summary of threats that were revealed during the scanning. To remove these threats altogether and automatically, the premium license is required. And we strongly advise that you upgrade to premium to delete all these threats automatically. And this is the best way to protect your data from being damaged in the future.